Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to see who commented on a post using the Instagram app on your PC, thanks to the latest update. Whether you're managing a personal account, a business page, or you're just curious about the conversations happening on your favorite posts, these steps will help you stay connected and engaged. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Instagram.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features Instagram offers on desktop. Once you're in, you'll see your main feed with the latest updates from everyone you follow. Next, find the post you want to check. You can scroll through your feed, visit your own profile, or search for another user's page. Once you've located the post, look just below the image or video for the comment icon. It usually appears as a small speech bubble. Click on this comment icon. Instantly, a panel will open up, displaying all the comments that have been made on that post. Here, you'll see the usernames and profile pictures of everyone who commented, along with their messages. This makes it super simple to keep track of conversations, respond to questions, or just see who's engaging with your content. One of the best parts about using Instagram on your PC is how easy it is to scroll through and manage comments. You can reply directly, like comments, or even delete them if needed, all with the convenience of a full keyboard and a larger screen. Staying on top of your Instagram interactions is a great way to build your community and make your page more engaging. Now, with just a few clicks, you can see exactly who's commenting and join the conversation right from your computer. That's all it takes. Open Instagram, find your post, click the comment icon, and you're ready to see all the comments in one place. Give it a try and enjoy a more connected Instagram experience on your PC.